Here I have Blackview BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to enable watermark in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you can enable watermark. And now every photo you take will be marked with the watermark, just like this. Wait, where's my watermark? Okay, so I guess only rear photos will be marked with the watermark. Front camera won't be. Okay, let me take another shot. And here you can see this watermark. I hope you can. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.